Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain how to use the Apple Passwords application. Before we start, make sure your device is updated to iOS 18 or later. First, let's enable the autofill option by opening Settings on your device. Scroll down to General, then open Autofill and Passwords and make sure Autofill Passwords and Passkeys are on. Additionally, you can enable this autofill from Passwords option. Next time you have a prompt to enter a password, it will autofill itself. Now, how to use the Passwords application itself. Open the Passwords application and it asks me to enter my passcode. Here you have different sections such as all passkeys, codes, Wi-Fi, security, and deleted. If you open your passwords, you will see a list of all your saved passwords. Additionally, you can use the search bar to look for a website or application and find a specific password you have set up. Next, if you want to add a new password, on the home page, tap the plus icon and you can give a title to your application or website. Here you need to enter your username, which could also be your email address. Your device will automatically generate a strong password, which you can edit or completely erase and set your own. If it's a website, you have to enter the website name here. Then simply save it by using the blue checkmark button. That's basically all with the password application on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and see you in the next one.